What's up guys, Trader CJ from Cross Capital. Hope you guys are doing great for this new year 2024. Hope the trading is treating you well in the markets as well. So I want to chat about the top 3 future funding prop firms for 2024. So it's a couple of old guys, old companies, been around for a couple of years, like Topstep. Been funding future traders for more than 10 years. Had payouts since 2020, more than $23 million. Then there's Apex, very popular company out there. A lot of traders are using them. They've been paying out large numbers, like $90 million since 2022. And yes, and then it's obviously the new kid around the block, the takeprofittrader, the company. So I want to compare these prop firms, and I want to show these. I believe, in my opinion, these are the top 3 future funding prop firms for 2024. And obviously there's a lot of other companies that fell off the bus and isn't very competitive. So I want to do a comparison between Apex, Topstep and takeprofittrader. So firstly, looking at the monthly price for the evaluation or the test account, there's Apex. It's the normal price is $297 per month. Topstep is $149, and takeprofittrader $360 per month. So the following screenshots I will show you the after discounts, because I know Apex are running like 80% and a 90% discount on the monthly price, and Topstep sometimes do also have discounts on the monthly price, and then TakeProfit also running like a 40% discount. But I'll show you guys what's the effect, the final effect, in terms of comparing everything, all the test accounts or the evaluation comparisons with the discounts and everything, what I think is the number 1 prop firm, future prop firm for 2024. So then, looking at the contracts, so this black section, this first section here is the 150k evaluation. So this is the first section. So this is before getting funded. So this line is this is when, once you get funded, what happens then. So once you pass your evaluation. So in terms of contracts, you can trade 17 minis or 170 micros. In Topstep you can trade 15 minis, but when you trade micros, the count is the same, so you can trade 15 micros. So if you have a strategy where you scale in and out of trades, like smaller sections stacking into trades and doing a lot of micros, then obviously Topstep doesn't fit that criteria. Then takeprofittrader is 15 minis, 150 micros. Then the target 9,000 all across the board. Daily loss, Topstep and takeprofits got this 3,000 and 3,300 daily loss. Apex is have the trailing loss, which is 5,000. So if you intraday, if you made, for example, 5,000 for the day, and within that day you lose all your profit, you basically go into your trailing drawdown. So with Topstep and takeprofit, it's different. If you made 5,000, that's on top of the 3,000, so you have then a buffer of 8,000, for example, for the day, a drawdown. Then another thing is the daily loss. Topstep, if you hit your daily loss of 3,000, they just stop you for trading for the rest of the day. With takeprofit, if you hit that 3,300, you fail the evaluation. You need to start all over again. So that's the difference between those two, which is the nice thing about Topstep, because sometimes you, with added commissions and so on, if you hit that 3,000, if you, like for example, at 2,950 drawdown, and that $50 is your commission, sometimes you don't see it. You need to look into your rhythmic or your actual after commissions. What's the daily loss for you? Okay, and then that the maximum loss is 4,500 on both of these, which is the almost the same as Apex with the 5,000 trailing drawdown. So you there's a minimum days to pass the evaluation, 7 days in Apex, and 2 in Topstep, and 5 in TakeProfitTrader. Right, moving on to the activation fees or the monthly fees. So you passed your evaluation, now what? You need to pay activation fee of $2,260 in Apex, or a monthly fee of $85. Topstep is $149 once-off fee, and TakeProfitTrader is $130. Number of accounts you can have it's 20 in Apex, 3 in Topstep, 3 in TakeProfitTrader. Number of contracts, it's the same as the evaluation, and Topstep it's different. There's a scaling plan. For the first $1,500 you can only trade a maximum of 2 contracts, and then it scales up above. For example, $4,500 you can trade your maximum contract. So it's scaling upwards. TakeProfitTrader, you can trade max size from day 1. It's the same with Apex. And then with the withdrawals, so when you started making money, there's a couple of things. For example, you can only withdraw twice a month in Apex. With Topstep, once you made more than $200 for any 5 days, you can withdraw. So for example, if you made $200 for 4 days and the 5th day you lose, then it doesn't count. So on the 6th day, that's adding your 5th day. So for example, it will take you, for example, 6 days or 7 days to make more than $200. So it doesn't have to be consecutive. So just a total of 5 days you need to make profit. And then with TakeProfitTrader, you can withdraw daily. So the threshold with Apex above $5,100, you can withdraw capital. With Topstep, you can only withdraw 50% for the first 30 trading days. You can only withdraw 50% of your profits. With TakeProfitTrader, anything above $4,500. So Apex, they do have a maximum amount you can withdraw for the first 3 months on this account. So it's a maximum of 2,750. Well, that's twice a month, so it's more than 5,500 for the month. There's no max in Topstep and TakeProfitTrader, but the other criteria are important. So only after 10 days you can start withdrawing. With Apex and Topstep, it's got this 5 days $200 effect. So if you within a week, so you can basically just withdraw every single week. You can withdraw if you made profit every single day, but only 50% of that for the first 30 days. After that, you can withdraw whatever. TakeProfitTrader, it's different. You can withdraw from day 1, and yeah, let's look at the discounts with that. So applying the discounts, for example, the 80% currently running on Apex. I just want to show you guys here. And going back to Apex, there's 80% off, and you can pass in 1 day. So there's no need to wait for 7 days to pass. You can pass in 1 day. So I didn't apply that, but yeah, is going to total a price of $60. Then with Topstep, there's $149 for this account. That's very standard. TakeProfitTrader, they've got this 40% off the price, and there's no sign up fee or no activation fee. So if you look at the pricing, I'll show you guys here. 40% off this account is $216 with a no activation or no monthly fees after that. So you can see 0 or 216, it adds up to a total of 216, and Topstep is adding to 300, a total of $300, and Apex it's adding to a total, if you take the once off fee, to 260 plus the 60 of 320, a total, or you can take the monthly for, but then it's going to be every single month at $85, but it's adding. So if you look at this, I know some people like the 20 accounts, that's advantage, but the costs for that, it's adding up, and there's a lot of minimum and maximums, and twice a month, and a lot of criteria before withdrawing. So if, in my opinion, I would go rate TakeProfitTrader as the #1 futures prop firm out there. With this current pricing of $216 for getting a 150k account, I think it is definitely the best company out there. So you can start withdrawing a lot of capital after 6 days basically. So 5 days evaluation, then number 6 we're gonna make way more than 4,500. Then you can withdraw that and you can manage your account accordingly. So, and you can have 3 accounts. But yes, so my #1, TakeProfitTrader. Then I would go for possibly Apex, and then Topstep. Between these two, they're quite even. Depends how you want to trade. Depends on your strategy. But if you have a scaling, multiple strategies running, or even automated strategies running with smaller strategies and also the daily loss, then I would go for Apex. If you are just one strategy in and out, max size, I would go for Topstep, would be my #2, and then Apex. But these are quite even, a bit different in terms of companies. I would go another reason I would go for Topstep is because they are the much more older company, the front runner in the future prop firms. So they used to be, I think they used to be #1, but Take Profit with these costs are definitely the most popular one amongst their companies. Right guys, so once again, just look at the description below. You can find the links there to go to TakeProfitTrader, as well Topstep and Apex. I've got the links down there. You can use the code for TakeProfitTrader. You can use the code CC50 if you want, get that 40% discount. Topstep, you go just everything is applied. Like I said, the costs were a lot more, but nowadays they charge $149 per month. That's for everyone. So just use that link in the description, and also the 80% is on Apex is only running for 3 more days. So check it out. Right guys, all the best with your trading for 2024. Hopefully we can get some more companies competing with the top guys here, and we can get some profits out of the market. Right guys, have a good one. Cheers.